Alright guys, today we're coming here and do a quick unboxing review on my new cordless vacuum cleaner by Trucozie. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's actually go ahead and take a look at it. I have your user manual right here. And then you're going to have all your accessories right here, which we'll go ahead and just put together now. Battery for it. All right, here's the main piece of it right here. Very cool. Charger for it, filter. This is like your vacuum holder if you want to set this up. But let's go and actually set up the vacuum now. Just like that, snaps on. All right. We'll go ahead and actually put the battery on it now. And this should just slide right in. There it is. Just like that. And everything the vacuum collects will fall in right here. If you push this button, it'll release it. As you can see, there is already a filter in here, so that is an extra filter that they have there. Close this back up and it snaps right into place. Then the battery, you would charge it right there. And if you wanted to remove the battery, there's a button right here. Just push it down, it slides right out. But we are gonna need it, so we'll go ahead and just put it back. Clicks right into place. And now we'll just lastly put this piece up here. And it is ready to go. This does extend, as you can see, just depending on how much you need. So I might have it about halfway. Let's go ahead and actually try it out. All right, so let's go ahead and actually try it out. It does have the power button back here. It's ready to go. And then if you push the next button right here, it controls how much power it has. And your battery level right here. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. All right, let's go ahead and swap out the accessory and put the sofa brush. So all we gotta do now is just push this button right here. Just connects. And then we'll go ahead and put this one. Snaps right in. Let's go ahead and actually try it out. All right, guys, if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new, powerful and lightweight cordless vacuum. Definitely look into this T350 by Trucozie. I'm gonna leave that link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.